The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF says it is investigating the recent theft of mahogany lumber from the forestry reserves near Accompong in St. Elizabeth. The issue led to a standoff in Quickstep, Trelawney between residents and a team from the forestry department on Saturday. Now we have a response from the forestry department, but first, this is how the ordeal unfolded.
Members of the security forces on one side and members of the Quickstep community on another. The tense standoff in the Cockpit country is over this lumber removed from the forest. Residents became irate and blocked the road when a truck belonging to the forestry department was attempting to leave with them.
Is the forestry department doing with mahogany? Solid mahogany. You know how old this tree must have been? This is a solid mahogany tree, right? The forestry department is moving up. So when our people have a problem and we raise the problem, it is as if we're the obstruction.
Calls for calm appeared to fall on deaf ears as residents demanded answers.
As that's right now, it is just go and then deal with it. No, my position is let's the lumber in the back is for us is a police matter.
The Maroon chief explained that he went to the area to calm tempers and was in fact encouraged by the help provided by the St. Elizabeth Police's leadership. It's why he says he finds it strange that he's being accused of inflaming the situation.
Today you called me and told me that there's an issue in Quickstep. If I heard about it, I told you no, because we have no signal in a compound. You said, okay, see if you can find out what's going on, because some persons have been blocked in.
Furthermore, he said the people of Quickstep have been angry with the Jamaican government for several years because of the issues surrounding logging in the community.
2 years ago, when there was a similar issue where Quickstep was blocked by residents, they are protesting lumbering in that area. Now, let me say this, Quickstep is a farming community. And yes, lumbering happens in Quickstep, maroon lumber. How did that transaction occur? A third-party entity was sent into Quickstep to set up a machine shop, of which the Maroons would sell him the lumber and him would sell it back to the government. At all times, the government has always maintained their position of not directly engaging with the Maroons. So they send agents of the state.
Nakinsky Robinson, TVJ News.
Meanwhile,